What's up guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Instagram tag people problem. Yes guys, this could be a quite problem for you, but don't worry about it. We are here to help you and to get off from this problem. The first thing what you can do, simply you can go to your Play Store and on the search box you can type for Instagram. Just go for it, and here as you can see, if you have that option for update and you need to get up and get the latest version of Instagram, just go for update. Simply, if you have the problem again, go and uninstall the application and then reinstall it again. Or if you're on your iPhone, just go to your settings bar and go to offload application. That will automatically get up the uninstall and reinstall the application. Then the last step or thing what you can do to get up through this problem, just go open the Instagram application, and if you still have the problem like what was before, just go again on the profile section, go for the three dots, select settings, then go for help, then go for report a problem and go for the second selection, send feedback. Now on that side here you're gonna say what, as you see on the description, says what would you like us to improve. Here you can add a screenshot for getting that something isn't working. You're gonna tell that you have a problem by getting tag people on your Instagram. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon guys. Have a nice day.